A spokesperson advised on Friday. Over 40,000 people have been affected by the floods.
Welcome to Live in the Philippines News. I'm BobbieD. Today's headline:
More than 300 killed in South Africa floods. More rains and damaging winds are expected across South Africa's east coast, following days of severe storms and flooding in which nearly 400 people have died. KwaZulu-Natal regional governments warned on Friday. Heavy rains and flooding first hit KwaZulu-Nata, which includes the coastal city of Durban, on Monday. Roads cracked and gave way to deep fissures. Homes were destroyed and stacks of shipping containers collapsed. Following a brief rain-free interval Thursday, the KwaZulu-Natal government said it had received a warning from the South African Weather Service that destructive rains and damaging winds are forecast for the province from Friday until Saturday evening, described by the regional government as one of the darkest moments in the history of KwaZulu-Natal province. The death toll from the storms has now risen to 395, a spokesperson advised on Friday. Over 40,000 people have been affected by the floods. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any update coming from Live in the Philippines News. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey, don't forget, check out some of our other cool videos.
And if you like the video, hit the subscribe button.